So everybody is dismissing the possibility of a return to the track of the just retired Usain Bolt. But look, it is impossible to make a credible call on a possible return in the middle of the here and now of his retirement. We have to allow some water to flow under the bridge, allow the here and now dynamics to dissipate, give the big man some time to rest his body and clear his mind. Remember, Usain Bolt is not 37 or 38. The man is just 30. There is still a 2-year window where if he put in the work, nobody can beat him. Money cannot be the drawing card because Bolt money can't done. But I tell you this, when Usain Bolt sits down in his quiet moments in the coming weeks and months and remember how it all ended in defeat to his arch rival Justin Gatlin and crumpled up in pain and agony on the London track, me guarantee you, Bolt will have many sleepless nights. And if there is a slight chance of Usain Bolt getting back on that running track, it will mushroom from those sleepless nights. The mere thought of Justin Gatlin having the last laugh, in fact, Gatlin having the last 2 laughs in the flat 100 and again in the sprint relay, I put it to you that we save these images of Gatlin silencing Bolt after the 100 and Bolt grimacing in pain after the sprint relay. And when the time is right, 6 months to a year, we show them to Usain Bolt and plead the case with the big man that he cannot go out like this. 1 year time. 1 year time. Set the clock. 1 year time. Come back and talk 1 year time about this.